Have you ever packed your entire wardrobe only to wear half of it on your trip? We've been there too. Today we're sharing our 5-step packing formula to help you pack light and stress-free for any trip. It's super important to know the weather, activities, and culture of your destination. Pro tip: use apps like weather.com and create a rough itinerary to avoid packing unnecessary items. For example, if it's a warm destination, focus on light clothes instead of bulky layers. Demonstrate packing versatile items like neutral tops, bottoms, and multi-use dresses. Show how to mix and match outfits to create multiple looks with fewer pieces. Pro tip: stick to a color palette, like neutral plus 1 or 2 accent colors, for easy coordination. Alright, let's talk about the rule of 3. It's simple: 3 tops, 3 bottoms, and 3 pairs of shoes. You can adjust this based on the length of your trip, of course. For instance, 3 pairs of shoes should cover your casual, formal, and adventure needs. Next up, let's highlight some travel-friendly items. Look for lightweight, wrinkle-free fabrics and multi-purpose items like scarves, sarongs, or foldable jackets. And hey, don't forget space-saving techniques like rolling your clothes or using packing cubes. Here's a pro tip: wear your bulkiest items on the plane, like sneakers and a jacket. Now it's time to edit and test your bag. Lay everything out and ask yourself, do I really need this? Cut out extras like duplicate toiletries or those just-in-case items. And here's another pro tip: pack your bag, weigh it, and carry it around for 5 to 10 minutes to test its comfort and practicality. To wrap it up, let's recap the 5 steps and show your packed bag as proof of success. So, what's your top tip for packing light? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow travelers. Happy packing!